this is Doug from Doug and Nikki here in the Indoor Center, where I wanted to share with you a really cool set of FOLKSMATE is the manufacturer. These are these cool modern lamps for your bedstand, right? So let me take it out. Let's put one together so you can see what it looks like. And then at the end, I'll talk to you a little bit about some of its qualities, looks, features, that kind of stuff, and give you a Doug score from 1 to 5 so you know what I think of it. Let's check it out. Okay, so a little bit of an issue. As you can see, it doesn't come with the bulb, which I wish I had thought of that ahead of time. But I think one of the beauties of these kind of things, and I think maybe it's a little better that I don't have the bulb, is that you can light this with either a very warm kind of soft yellow light, or you can also go, because it's a white lampshade, you could go with that bright blue, very bright modern light. So I think I'd leave it up to you. This thing absolutely is really thoughtfully put together. The quality and everything, it was so easy to put together, only went together one way, and the machining was really nice. I think it's really good quality. I have no doubt that if I put a light bulb in here, it would light up just fine. So that's really not the question. The only question is like the style. So what do you think of it? I think it's really cool. I really like this. I am excited to have this. This was perfect. I do need to tell you it was provided for me to do this review, but I really do genuinely like it. I mean, we chose it. They gave us an option and we chose this and I'm thrilled with it. So I'm gonna give this an absolute full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. It's a pack of 2. There's no way to go wrong with this. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.